લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે મેથેમેટિકલ એક્સપેક્ટેશન એનો ટાઈપ 1 કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો. નાઉ ટાઈપ 2 ફાઇન્ડ મિસિંગ વેલ્યુ ઓફ P એન્ડ ધેન ફાઇન્ડ અધર વેલ્યુ. સૌથી પહેલા તો વી નો ધેટ ટોટલ ઓફ પ્રોબેબિલિટી ઇઝ ઓલવેઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 0. ટોટલ ઓફ પ્રોબેબિલિટી is always equal to 1. So sigma p of x is equal to 1. એના બેઝ ઉપર બધા સમ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ થશે. ફર્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ, the probability distribution of random variable x is as follow. Find mean, variance and standard deviation. We know that sigma p of x is equal to 1. So 1 by 6 plus p plus 1 by 4 plus p plus 1 by 6 is equal to 1. Take 24 as a LCM. 4, 24p, 6, 24p plus 4 is equal to 1. 4 plus 6 plus 4, that is 14, plus 48p is equal to 24. 48p is equal to 24 minus 14. 48p is equal to 10. So p is equal to 10 by 48. So p is equal to 5 by 24. Okay. Now prepare table. X, p of x, x into p of x, x square into p of x. x ની અંદર -1 -2 -1 0 1 2. -1 -2 0 -1 and +2. Probability 1 by 6. P means 5 by 24, we already find. 1 by 4. P means 5 by 24. 1 by 6. બધાને આપણે LCM 24 લેશું. 4 by 24. Already 24 તો છે જ. 6 by 24. 5 by 24. 4 by 24. X into P of x. -2 multiplied by 4. That is -8 by 24. -5 by 24. 0. 5 by 24. 8 by 24. 0. Sigma x into p of x is equal to 0. X square into p of x, -8 multiplied by -2, minus minus plus 16 by 24, -5 multiplied by -1, minus minus plus 5 by 24, 0, 5 multiplied by 1, 5 by 24, 8 multiplied by 2, 16 by 24. So 16 plus 5 plus 5 plus 16, 42 by 24. Sigma x square into p of x. First of all, we have to find out mean. That is E of x is equal to sigma x into p of x. That is 0. Next, we have to find out variance. V of x is equal to ex square minus ex whole square, where ex square is equal to sigma x square into p of x. That is 42 by 24. So 42 by 24 minus 0 no square. That is 42 by 24. That is 21 by 12. 7 तेरी 21, 4 तेरी 12, 7 by 4. 7 by 4. That is 1.75. standard deviation, that is under root 1.75, 1.32. This is your third answer. This is your second answer. Next, example number 2. Find missing probability, then find mean and standard deviation using probability distribution. First of all, we know that sigma p of x is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3 plus p is equal to 1. Take 6 as a LCM. So 1, 2 3s are 6, 2, 6, 6p is equal to 1. 3 plus 12p is equal to 6. 12p is equal to 6 minus 3. 12p is equal to 3. So p is equal to 3 by 12. So p is equal to 1 by 4. Now probability distribution, x, p of x, x into p of x, x square into p of x. X ma minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. P of x 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So 1 by 6, take 24 as a LCM, 6 चौक 24, so 4 by 24. 8 तेरी 24, so 8 by 24. 6 by 24, 6 by 24, total 1. Minus 4 by 24, 0. 6 by 24, 12 by 24. 12 plus 6 minus 4, that is 14 by 24. X square into p of x, minus minus plus 4 by 24, 0, 6 multiplied by 1, 6 by 24, 12 multiplied by 2, 24 by 24. 24 plus 6 plus 4, that is 34 by 24. Mean E of x, sigma x into p of x, 14 by 24, that is 0.58. Next we have to find out standard deviation. So first find variance. Variance v of x, ex square minus ex whole square, where ex square is equal to sigma x into p of x, that is 34 by 24, that is 1.42. So 1.42 minus 0.58 no square, 1.42, 0.58 no square, 0.34 minus 1.42, that is 1.08. This is variance, 1.08. Now we have to find out standard deviation. Under root of variance, 1.08 no root, that is 1.04. This is your second answer. Next, example number 3. Find mean, variance and standard deviation. Sigma p of x is equal to 1, 0.02, 0.20, p 3p, 0.15, p 0.03 is equal to 1. 0.02 plus 0.2 plus 0.15 plus 0.03, 0.4 plus 5p is equal to 1. 5p is equal to 1 minus 0.4, 0.6. 0.6 by 5, 0.12 x p of x into p of x square into p of x 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 0.02 0.20 p means 0.12 3p means 0.36 12 multiplied by 3 0.15 0.12 0.03 0 multiplied by 0.02 0 1 multiplied by 0.2 0.2 0.12 multiplied by 2 0.24 3 multiplied by 0.36 1.08 4 multiplied by 0.15 0.6 0.12 multiplied by 5 0.6 0.03 multiplied by 6 0.18 total 2.9 sigma x into p of x square into p of x 0 multiplied by 0 0 0.2 multiplied by 1 0.2 0.24 multiplied by 2 0.48 1.08 multiplied by 3 3.24 0.6 multiplied by 4 2.4 0.6 multiplied by 5 3 0.18 multiplied by 6 1.08 total 10.4 sigma x square into p of x. Now first mean, that is e of x sigma x into p of x 2.9 variance v of x ex square minus ex whole square, where ex square is equal to sigma x square into p of x 10.4. So 10.4 minus 2.9 no square 10.4 2.9 no square 8.41 10.4 minus 8.41 1.99 1.99. We have to find out standard deviation also. Standard deviation under root of variance under root of 1.99 1.41. This is your third answer. Next, example number 4. The probability distribution of random variable x is as follow. Find value of k and mean and variance. We know that sigma p of x is equal to 1. So 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k is equal to 1. First of all square વાળા k square 2k square અને 7k square એટલે કે 10k square. પછી k વાળા 1 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 2 5 5 plus 2 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9k is equal to 1. 10k square plus 9k minus 1 is equal to 0. 10 ના હવે આપણે એવા ફેક્ટર્સ કરવાના છે કે જેનો સમ 9 થાય. 10k square plus 10k minus 9 minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. Take 10k common, so k plus 1 minus 1 common, k plus 1 is equal to 0. 10k minus 1 k plus 1 is equal to 0. So 10k minus 1 is equal to 0, 10k is equal to 1, so k is equal to 1 by 10. Or k plus 1 is equal to 0, so k is equal to minus 1. Probability ક્યારે નેગેટિવ માં ન હોય, that is not possible. K is equal to 1 by 10. Now x, p of x, x into p of x, x square into p of x. 0 થી લઈ અને 7 સુધી. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Probability 0. K means 1 by 10. 2k, that is 2 by 10. 2k, that is 2 by 10. 4 સામે. 3k, that is 3 by 10. 5 સામે. K square, that is 1 by 100. 6. 2k square. 2k square, that is 2 by 100. 7 સામે. K square plus k, that is 1 by 100 plus 7k square, that is 7 by 100 plus 1 by 10. So 17 by 100, 2 by 100, 1 by 100, 3 by 100, 30 by 100, 20 by 100, 20 by 100, 10 by 100, 0. 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.2, 0.3, 0.1, 0.2, 0.17. k square 0.77. Zero point 0.01, 0.02, 0.02, 0.03, 0.01, 0.2, 0.70, 0.01 plus 0.02 plus 0.03, 0.1. Here, so 0.70, 0.2, 2k square, that is 2 multiplied by 1 by 100, 2 by 100, that is 0.02, 0.02, 0.01, 0.30, 0.20, 0.20, 0.101, 0.1, 0.2, 0.2, 0.3, 0.01, 0.03 plus 0.70. 0.0. Total C 1. So x into p of x, 1 multiplied by 0.1, that is 0.1, 2 multiplied by 0.2, that is 0.4, 2 multiplied 0.2 multiplied by 3, that is 0.6, 0.3 multiplied by 4, that is 1.2, 5 multiplied by 0.01, that is 0.05, 6 multiplied by 0.202, that is 0.12, 7 multiplied by 0.17, that is 1.19. Total 3.66. Sigma x into p of x. X square into p of x, 0.1 multiplied by 1, 0.1. 0.4 multiplied by 2, 0.8. 0.6 multiplied by 3, 1.8. 1.2 multiplied by 4, 4.8. 5 multiplied by 0.05, 0.25. 0.12 multiplied by 6, 0.72. 1.19 multiplied by 7, 8.33. Total 16.8. Sigma x square into P of x. Mean Ex sigma x into P of x 3.66. Variance V of x Ex square minus Ex whole square, where Ex square sigma x square into P of x 16.8. 16.8 minus 3.66 no square. 16.8 3.66 no square 13.40. 16.8 minus 13.4 3.4 variance. This is your second answer. This is your first answer. Next, example number 5. From the following value, using following probability distribution, random variable x sigma p of x is equal to 1, 1 by 12, 1 by 3, p 1 by 4, 1 by 6 is equal to 1. Take 12 LCM, 1, 4, 12p, 3, 2 is equal to 1. 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 12p is equal to 12. So 12p is equal to 12 minus 10. 12p is equal to 2. So p is equal to 2 by 12. So p is equal to 1 by 6. X p of x, x into p of x, x square into p of x. Minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2. X minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2. P of x 1 by 12. 1 by 3. P means 1 by 6. 1 by 4 and 1 by 6. Take 12 LCM, 1 by 12, 4 by 12, 2 by 12, 3 by 12, 2 by 12. Minus 1 by 12, sorry, minus 2 by 12, minus 4 by 12, 0, 3 by 12, 4 by 12. 4 plus 3 is 7, minus 6, 1 by 12. Sigma x into p of x. X square into p of x, minus minus plus 4 by 12, minus minus plus 4 by 12, 3 multiplied by 1, 3 by 12, 4 multiplied by 2, 8 by 12. 8 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4, 19 by 12. First question, E of x. That is sigma x into p of x, 1 by 12. Second question, E x square. That is sigma x into p of x. That is 19 by 12. 1 by 12, that is 0.083. 19 by 12, that is 1.58. This is second answer, this is first answer. Third, E 2x plus 3. 2e of x plus 3. 2 multiplied by 0.083 plus 3. 2 multiplied by 0.083 plus 3, that is 3.166. This is your third answer. Fourth, E x square minus 2. E x square minus 2. 1.58 minus 2. 1.58 minus 2 minus 0.42. This is your fourth answer. Fifth, sixth and seventh. This is your answer. Here our type 2 is completed. In next session we will start our next type here, that is type 3. Thank you.